Hello, today I'm going to perform a data load from an Excel file into my database using SSIS. So I am going to create a new project within SSIS and I'm going to call it ONS data. This is data that I have obtained from the ONS website. Perhaps I want to use it for some processing or for some reporting, but in order for me to be able to identify the data correctly, I have named it ONS data, and SSIS has created this project for me. So this is a very simple data flow task, and I'm going to open data flow. Provide my connections to the source and to the destination. So I am using an Excel file. As you can see, there are different source types that you can use, and even more than this. So I am going to go to the location of my Excel file and provide a connection, and also create the destination, which is a SQL server on my local machine. And I'm going to have to choose the database that I'm hoping to load the data into, and my database is called income data, and I'm going to say OK. Just so you can have an idea of what I'm trying to do, this is my database there on my local machine, and it's called income data. And as you can see, I've only got an income data set table within the database. I haven't got my ONS data as of now. So I'm going to provide a connection from the source to the target. I'm going to configure my source, have a preview, make sure that the data is what I want, and I'm going to check the columns as well. There is one column that I do not wish to have, so I'm going to take that off and say OK. I need to configure my destination as well, but because I don't have the table, I'm just going to choose new and give it a name. I'm going to call it ONS data so that I can know what data I'm looking at within my database. And I'm going to say I want to make sure the mappings are okay, because there's a new table, it looks like it has mapped it all correctly, and I'm happy with that. So I'm going to say OK. I'm going to go back to the control flow tab, and I'm going to execute this task. That gives me a success, so I'm just going to do a quick check, make sure that it has actually worked. Sometimes it doesn't come up immediately, so I'll do a refresh and I can see that my ONS data is there, and I can do the reporting within Reporting Studio, or whatever sort of reporting I need to do using this data. Thank you very much for watching, and I will be putting up more videos here for you to see what you can do with SQL and other reporting tools. Thank you.